All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Walking around Kata now, trying to find our place where we got to get a second PCR test done. Let you have a look. Which one? That one. Supposed to be there, but that can't be it. They'll arrest us and lock us up in prison if we don't get this PCR test done. So they don't make it very easy to find this PCR test place that they've sent us. Right, who do we ask? Can't ask a taxi driver, else he'll take us in a circle. You see, it's quite warm. Glasses off, mask on, got our both on. One steams up and the other goes on. I've got to turn this off, find out where I'm going for this PCR test. So now we're on the top trying to find this place. Not doing very well here. Trying to find this place, this elusive PCR testing place. Let's just hope we're negative, eh? Which I think we are. We feel good, but apparently this Omicron virus, you feel okay anyway. Go back where we came from. Here, come and get that. We think we've found it. Den. We found it. Wait, if you're waiting a long time, it's not till 1 o'clock. I'll check our number and sit accordingly. Let's find my name and number. There's more over there. It's in time order, look. More over there, we'll go over there. I can't see myself here. So, done our PCR test. That took about an hour. Oh, right mess up that was. Everyone was gathered in a small confined space. We didn't have COVID, we'll have COVID, go to a COVID test. Let's have a look at the beach. That's our beach. Lovely and calm, lovely and warm. See my feet. There you go. Not that you want to see my feet. See the fish. Better than my feet. Yeah, that looked great. Doesn't that look amazing? What a lovely place this would be to retire. Who wants me to retire here, or who wants me to stay at home in rainy? Well, actually, it's snowy at the moment. Snowy Glasgow. Oh, what a choice! And the choice I don't really have. Too many bills in Glasgow to pay. There's a big puddle up there, I don't know if you can see it in the distance. Lovely. Yes, it will get busier once COVID's away. At the moment, it's lovely. I had to walk through a restaurant to get to the beach. It's weird. Over there, look. I walked through that restaurant over there to get into the beach. Probably another way, it's just... That's why the way I ended up going. We ended up going. Anyway, this is Kata Beach. A few leaves in here, you'll see. There's a few trees up there. So, oh, look at these fish. I don't know if you can see them in between the leaves. Maybe I should just leave them alone. Oh dear, time to stop this. The rubbish jokes are coming. Others chums, jokes. He'll know who he is. So we're just waiting on our PCR test results to go through again. Even though we've done it once, we have to do them again. And continue the holiday. Once they're through as negative. If it's a positive, then maybe a different sort of vlog. Won't be a very happy one. Oh, there's a party here, look. Party on a surfboard party. So I thought I'd check this place out for lunch. I've been highly recommended. New York Burger Co. But it's shut. We won't be using that one. But I'm sure it's very good. Highly recommended. Go there another time.